Here's how you can use another Windows computer as a second display and even control your main computer from that second Windows computer in this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is on your secondary device, you're going to want to go to Start and search for optional features. And then hit OK with my optional features, and then the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to add a feature. When you go to add a feature, you're going to want to scroll down or just search for wireless display. Now I've already installed it, but what it will look like is it will look like this right here, this wireless display option. You see I just installed it yesterday. And now all you're going to want to do is Windows has a built-in Connect application. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to search for Connect if you can't do typos. There you go. And then it says your laptop is ready for you to connect wirelessly. It tells you your versions, and it says protected content can't be viewed on this device. Next, on your primary computer, what you're going to want to do is type in Windows key plus K, and it'll bring up the cast screen. Obviously I am on Windows 11, so it looks a little different from you guys, but it's the same keyboard shortcut. You should see the available devices and displays, and you see that laptop of mine that I was talking about before. Click on that, and then it says connecting to your device. It'll do some things, and then it'll change. And now you see here that it is complete, and you see my top big display. You see the mouse kind of moving around over the trees. It's kind of hard to see. And then if I go straight down, you see my mouse on my laptop screen. And if I drag straight up, you can see that the File Explorer is dragging between them, and it works the same way if you're trying to manage your own displays as if you have normal two monitors. You can still right click, you can still go to you can go to personalize or display settings. You can still rearrange your displays. You see I set my big one to be on top and then the small laptop one to be below. I set it in these specific ways, that way I can pretty much drag straight down and it goes straight down. It's not perfect. And you can always rearrange them. You can choose to extend displays, duplicate just like a normal display. So it seems to work pretty well. So if you're like a streamer or someone who has work meetings and things, and you would like to have two displays but you only have two computers, you can actually use your second computer as a second display. And the nice thing that you can do with this is if you type in Windows key K, you get the option as well to actually use the second computer's peripherals, whether it's the mouse and keyboard, to interact with the primary computer. You can't drag files between the two, but you can use the second computer to control the first computer. That's just a quick tutorial on how to do that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it's helpful. I know it's a little rough. I'll get used to these kind of things. Take care.